Hello, government students. This is Mrs. Politsky, and I have your notes for Chapter 14, Section 4, Constitutional Interpretation. So, influencing court decisions. We're going to talk about the law, justices, and society. So, when the court interprets a statute or a provision of the Constitution that's not clear, justices must determine what statute or provision means or what that means. The courts must be guided by relevance of the statute, meaning how important it is, or the provisions to the case. Justices as individuals, justices have their own ideas about cases that they address. When you have a liberal justice, when they're in the majority, they're probably going to write more liberal opinions, and vice versa when the conservatives are in the majority. Currently, right now, our courts are probably a little more conservative than they are liberal. And I would imagine that's probably got some people in our nation a little upset. Anyway, society. Although the court is fairly well insulated from public opinion and from daily political pressures from interest groups or the media, the court is still aware of the importance of public opinion when it's enforcing their decisions. When we talk about presidential and congressional influences on the Supreme Court, presidential influences, the president, for the most part, generally chooses justices that share their own ideas on the majority of issues, sometimes changing the liberal or conservative leanings of the court. When we talk about, because justices must depend on the president to enforce their decisions, they really want to have good relations with the president, so he or she will support the court. When we talk about Congress, and as far as their influences, they can do some things by limiting the ability to hear certain cases. The court might also consider, and Congress might also consider passing laws that limit the court's options in ordering remedies. The court might propose a constitutional amendment to overturn a court ruling. The Congress might also refuse to raise the justices' salaries on the Supreme Court. That's a little check on them, I guess. Congress might also confirming or not confirming a presidential appointment. And then finally, by reacting a law in a different form after its predecessor has been rejected by the courts and the Constitution. All those are factors. Thank you very much.